I'm Bobby Morgan, founder, speaker, and consultant with Liberation Lab. And our premise is simple. The default mode of our schools is set to dehumanize us all. So our goal is to build disruptive educators through 3 pillars of culturally responsive teaching, restorative practices, and social justice education. Here are my 5 things that parents can do to help their children thrive and excel in school. Number 1, show up for educational decisions. Being an active member in your child's education goes far beyond the classroom. It means we must take an active role in your school's decision-making process. As someone who is serving on a school board, I can tell you that every vote has a major impact on where funds are allocated. Parents and caregivers should seek to know who are your board members. Attend meetings and find out what budget allocations are going into your child's education. Doing so will ensure that your voice is counted and not just when we're reacting to when things have already gone wrong. Number 2, prioritize mental health as a family. Open conversations about mental health in your home. Make it a routine and vital topic. Consider a Talk About It Tuesday, where you engage with your child about their week, discuss the highs and lows. This will nurture the trust and open the lines of communication so your child can voice to you when concerns arise in school. When your child sees you prioritizing mental health, they learn the importance of seeking support when needed. Number 3, redefine success beyond grades. It can no longer be about simply looking at your child's report card. It must be about fostering critical thinking skills and improvement. Learning takes place beyond the classroom, so transform everyday situations into new learning opportunities. For example, discussing inflation or the economic challenges of everyday life. Help your child to see themselves as a problem solver, and it includes their voice in conversations that matter. This interactive approach teaches them to look beyond the textbook, challenging them and preparing them for real-world problems. Number 4, offer grace and space. In your child's journey for academic growth, they will encounter setbacks. A culture of grace will help your child acknowledge struggles as part of the learning process. When you extend understanding, you create an environment where your child feels safe to take risk, and they know that failure is just another step on their pathway to success. This will cultivate resilience and a healthy approach to the challenges of life. But number 5, embrace the power of presence. As a father of 2, I know that I do not have all the answers, but I've learned that presence can make a world of difference. Be there in moments where they are confused and need guidance. Our presence communicates that they are not alone on their journey. By admitting our limitations, we move from strictly controlling everything to being their companion, guide, encourager, and mentor on their path to being their best selves. A huge shout out to Authority Magazine. And for more information about the work of Liberation Lab, visit us at myliberationlab.com.